Mucha gente se pregunta, oh, yo quiero caminar, hoy, está muy caloroso. No, excusas, no, que hoy no me siento con ganas de caminar. Mira cómo yo tengo que caminar aquí. Ven, cómo yo tengo que salir a hacer ejercicio para poder sudar un poquito. Miren esto, una tormenta que va a caer hoy, más de las que han caído ya. Mira, esta es una calle que estoy cruzando ahora. Voy a agarrar la acera. Miren los carros que no van. No, para que tengan una idea de cómo la gente que tiene buenos climas buenos para salir a hacer ejercicio. Mira cómo yo tengo que caminar aquí. Y esto no es nada para lo que va a caer. Y yo aquí tengo si ustedes ven aquí, yo tengo un bolso atrás. Y ese bolso llevo la computadora, llevo mis cuadernos, mis libros para trabajar y estudiar lo que tengo que estudiar. Nada, mírame, toco aquí, cruzo la calle, esta es la calle principal, para que vean cómo se sale aquí. Se le sale al toro. Y no es porque tengo que trabajar allá, solamente porque no quiero quedarme en el apartamento ahí con una nevada. Porque cuando te quedas así, entonces la gente lo que hace es quedarse ahí. No salen, no quieren hacer nada. Quieren es comer y tomar chocolate caliente. Y eso a mí no me gusta. Mira, esta es una compañía de comida frisada, ¿eh? Se llama Schwan. No sé, a lo mejor esta es una compañía que manda a todo el mundo. A lo mejor allá han comido esas pizzas en sus lugares. Pero quería mostrarles, mire, cómo es esto aquí. I just want to show the people like have wonderful weathers in their country, like hot weathers, and they don't want to go for a walk or running outside. Now here is what it is. And that's what I face for my cold weather here in Marshall, Minnesota. Right there is the gym. That's my goal today. That is the goal. I want to reach the gym and do probably 3 miles running and walking. But at least I going to work out today. I want to keep going here. Let's see if the car's gonna turn left. No, car's gonna keep going. Okay, guys, girls and gentlemen and ladies, I'm showing you what we face here in the north of the USA. I wanna work out. It's a nice day, no matter what. It's not sunshine, but it's a beautiful day. It's not a sunshine, like I say, like people in tropical have. Like I'm from Venezuela, I have a tropical weather. Look at the cars coming over there. I believe I'm the only person walking here right now. But no one know that I can be in my apartment because I work from home. But I don't want to be there. I want to work out. And I want to also probably work from here half of the day and do my stuff there. But this is pretty much what we face here in Minnesota sometimes. Minnesota is very unpredictable weather. Sometimes the weather is it's nice. Next day it's like this. Look at this is sidewalk. Next day it's like that. And this is nothing what we're expecting to have today. Expecting to have probably a Oh my god, wind is getting crazy. We're expecting to have probably 7 or 8 inches of snow today. But however, it's a nice day. That's the day that God created for us, and we are thankful to be alive to have it. Well, have a wonderful day. Creo que ya llegué. I'm arriving here, right now. I'm about to get into the YMCA. Well, have a wonderful day. Look at somebody else showing up. People now, they never get stopped, man. When you have a goal, just go and reach it.